Hello everyone and welcome back to our London Christmas light tour. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, make sure to check it out as we explored some sparkling displays across the city. Today we are diving into the festive brilliance of Covent Garden, Piccadilly Circus, Fortnum Mason, Bond Street and the enchanting Ever After Garden. So let's get started. Our first stop is the iconic Covent Garden, where the holiday spirit comes alive with stunning lights and decorations. The entire area is transformed into a winter wonderland with sparkling lights adorning the market halls and surrounding streets. Let's take a stroll and soak in the magical atmosphere. Covent Garden truly knows how to capture the essence of Christmas. The magnificent displays combined with the lively atmosphere and street performers make it a must-visit during the holiday season. The bright lights and animated displays of Piccadilly Circus make it a fantastic spot to capture those Instagram-worthy moments. Next on our festive journey is the world-renowned Fortnum Mason. This luxury department store has a reputation for its exquisite holiday displays. Let's see how they have adorned their windows and facade this Christmas. Mason never fails to impress with its elegant and sophisticated Christmas decorations. The attention to detail is remarkable, creating a magical ambience that perfectly complements the spirit of the season. The opulence of Bond Street. Famous for its high-end shops, Bond Street takes luxury to a whole new level during Christmas. The decorations here are nothing short of spectacular, turning this already glamorous street into a winter paradise. The epitome of Christmas extravagance, with its shining lights and designer storefronts. It's the perfect place to indulge in some festive shopping while immersing yourself in the holiday spirit. For our final destination, we headed towards Ever After Garden, which is a magical escape from the city buzz. The soft glow of lights combined with the natural beauty of the surroundings creates a fairy tale atmosphere, making it a perfect spot for a romantic evening stroll. knows how to sparkle during the holidays. And I hope you enjoyed our London Christmas live tour part 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more festive adventures. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Until next time, take care.